Hello all. We are going to view fan configuration parameters. This parameter lets choose if the indoor unit has fan speed controls available or not. When disabled, all parameters and group objects related to fan speed controls will also be disabled. Number of different available speed values defined for fan control can be selected via this parameter. The number of related group objects and their settings are updated according to this parameter. For detailed information about fan speed values supported by your indoor unit, please review your product manual. With this parameter, DPTs of byte-type group objects used in fan speed control can be changed. It is possible to switch between scaling and enumerated data types. With this parameter, if there is an automatic mode for the fan speed, it can be activated. When enabled, automatic fan speed can be activated with the value 0 written to the 1-byte control fan speed group object of the relevant fan speed. When the indoor unit switches to automatic fan speed, a feedback with the value 0 will be sent via the related object. When activated, the specified group objects become available. Automatic fan speed can be activated with the value 1 written to the 1-bit control fan speed manual/auto group object of the relevant fan speed. When the indoor unit switches to automatic fan speed, a feedback with the value 1 will be sent via the related status fan speed manual/auto object. With this parameter, 1-bit group objects can be activated for each fan speed. When activated, the specified group objects become available according to the selected fan speed steps. Fan speed changes to next level with the value 1 and to previous level with the value 0 written to the 1-bit control fan speed ± object. Fan speed level change continues cyclically according to each value written to the object. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.